Hi everyone, my name is Niyo, vainqueur, and I'm excited to welcome you at Promises. Today we are going to tour this amazing apartment that we find here in Kagugu, Kigali, Rwanda. In this video we will take a look at some of the features and amenities that makes Promises an enduring place to call home. So let's get started. First off, as we get here, we find this beautiful, huge pivot door that welcomes you to the living room. As we keep walking, we find some apartments that people are currently living in right now. So you can find all the security appliances that may be needed, everything alarm, and comes to the fire extinguisher, everything that you will use to fight against fire. As we get here to this nice apartment, we have this beautiful pivot door that brings you in to this walkway that takes you to the living room. We have this nice green color couch and a great coffee table that you would like to chat with your friends or people who come to visit you. We have this beautiful smart TV and a fridge that takes you to this spacious room. This nice queen size bed and nice closet attached to the wall. As we get to this bathroom, we have this nice toilet, great design mirror attached to the wall, rain head above, this way you take a shower, and this water heater so you won't have to worry about taking a shower in the morning or cold water. You know, everyone hates to take a cold shower, so no worries for that. Next to your living room, you have this amazing kitchen, nice chandelier above, granite countertop, your kitchen appliances. You have the sink here, cabinet to keep your appliances. You have this nice microwave, gas cooking top, and everything you will want in your kitchen. So here, yeah. As you leave to your kitchen, we have this walkway that takes you outside to this balcony. We have these sliding doors, glass, that takes you out to this amazing balcony. We have this breathtaking view. You can't feel how beautiful it is looking at this breathtaking view. And that's why I handpicked this place for y'all who want to visit Rwanda. And big thanks for the apartment owners for allowing us to tour this apartment. And the manager who learns everything for us to get access on this beautiful apartment. And big thanks for y'all who kept on watching this far, and let us know in the comments what you want us to talk in the next video. And for those who want more information about this apartment, feel free to text me on Instagram, and also remember to leave a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out our next episode. Peace.